Ashley Brown, 10 years in SORT at Plymate. Tell us about why you keep coming back.
It's a great place to work. You're not going to find many places where you have a Todd and a Terry who actually cares about the people. And my coworkers, everybody gets along, but there's just a handful that that you've become family with. And I've been here since I've graduated high school. It's what I know and it's what I love.
There are some cornerstones of the corporate culture here at Plymate. You talk about them all the time. Which ones mean the most to you?
I'm fond of coworkers make a difference. It may sound weird, but knowing that if any time I have to leave or something that comes up with my little girl and I need to get her to the hospital, I'm not going to get static. I'm not going to have to go through all the rigmarole trying to make sure my baby's okay. They care and they do what they can because you do make a difference for them.
Making a difference. One thing maybe that stands out in your mind in terms of working here. What would you say maybe the best thing about working here is?
Again, I agree with Tim. There's a lot. There's going to be things that you come up against that give you a headache or whatever, but overall, the atmosphere here is good. Todd and Terry, and from what I've seen with Ben and Sarah, they care about what we're doing and where we're going. You're not going to get that if you go to a bigger corporation. You're just going to be a name or a number. And here, it's not that. I can't tell you the times that Terry or Ben or Todd and Sarah will walk up and ask me about Gemma, my little girl, or ask me about something going on in my life.